Hi there, everybody, and welcome back to another video today. My name's Marybeth Angelelli, and in today's video, I am going to take you once again inside of my back office for Infinity Processing System, the Pro Level Back Office, which is our $300 membership. Okay, this will give you the six-figure blueprint training, step-by-step video training tutorials to show you exactly what to do, how to do it, and why to do it to start earning a consistent full-time income online if that is indeed what you aspire to do. I've been a part of this amazing system called Infinity Processing System since it first launched all the way back to March of 2021, and here we are, we're fast forwarding to November of 2022, and this program is still very much alive, going strong. As a matter of fact, it is growing at an unprecedented rate. We have members from all over the world who are plugging in to this very training at the pro level, gaining access to the six-figure blueprint and using this training to earn commissions of $50 unlimited, unlimited $150, and unlimited $300 commissions. Now we do have two other product levels and product packages. We have our basic $50 product package, and we have our $150 elite product package. But this is the most value-based package, folks. It's the most highly recommended, and for good reason, because you will never miss out on any commissions. You'll be able to earn on all three levels, and more importantly, you're going to gain access to the six-figure blueprint. And it just so happens, if you do some simple math on a calculator, and if you are looking in the new year now, it's quickly approaching 2023, you have high goals and aspirations of becoming a future six-figure income earner. This can set you up with the potential to be able to achieve those goals in the new year, okay? Because $100,000 a year divided by, I'm just going to do it real quick here on my calculator, $100,000 a year divided by 365 days out of any given year, that is $273.97. Round that up to $274 a day, and that would be only one pro level sell, which is $300. So spanning that out, folks, utilizing some simple math, that would be well within a realistic reach of being able to accomplish and achieve a financial goal of that type in 2023, okay? Not to mention, if you have access to the pro level, where you're able to keep 100% of the commissions, $300 over and over again every time you receive a new sign up from a new team member joining you. You can also earn on the elite, which is the 150, and the basic, which is 50. So everything, will add up very nicely, directly related to your marketing efforts as a direct result of your consistent marketing efforts. We give you everything you need, the whole blueprint, everything, step-by-step video training tutorials to show you exactly how to get set up, create your automated sales funnel if that is something that you wish to do. We also do have done-for-you funnels available as well through a third-party resource. Many team members are using that third-party resource with great success, and it's something that I do indeed highly recommend, so I certainly can get you set up with that. Here's the introduction video. This gives you everything, the resources, the tools, the information, the training, and the ad copy is included, the pre-written ad copy, okay? 200 pre-written ads plus 60 additional bonus image ads. So you never have to concern yourself or stress over how to create ad copy. It's here for you. Literally plug and play along with everything else. Okay? And exactly what to say if somebody asks you for information, since you will be following this training and you will be copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media. Okay? You get personal development training as well, okay? This defines here and highlights how to upgrade if you need to, okay? Or update your website, all right, with a new photo or replace a payment option if you ever need to do that going forward in the future. We have our 7-day action plan. We have how to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites for free, okay? So the majority of these methods back here, folks, we're going to show you exactly how to advertise for free, okay? That is huge. Facebook Marketing Mastery, how to purchase paid traffic. Now, this is totally optional, see, in parentheses, optional. But if you want to scale your business, especially in the new year in 2023, and you can certainly do that once you get into profit mode with your IPS, taking a percentage of your 50s, your 150s, and your 300 commissions and reinvesting it back into yourself, into paid traffic. And I can certainly assist you in doing that, okay? Because that's exactly what I do. And then we have Craigslist marketing. We have Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, and exactly how to automate your business with your six-figure system. In terms of the follow-up, everything is here. This becomes a largely automated process and system once you have your funnel with your follow-up email series set up. Okay, it's very, very easy. And that part is once and done, set and forget. And then all you have to do is successfully go through this and complete the training. And I just recommend taking this at your own pace. Do not stress. Follow this training to a T. Don't deviate from it. Don't try to reinvent the wheel because it has all been tested and proven to work, and it works amazingly, amazingly well. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to go in here and show you. Let's look at Facebook Marketing Mastery for today's video, okay? So what you'll do is if you want to learn how to become a master marketer on Facebook, and really take your business to the next level using the Facebook marketing platform for free. No paid Facebook ads whatsoever, folks. You're going to plug in and you're going to follow this training. And let me just show you real quick here. This is where you're going to start. You'll watch this video. See, these are broken down into small segments so that you can easily grasp, digest, understand. And they're going to be at your fingertips, at your disposal 24/7. So you can come in here into your back office, log into your back office any time of the day or night, 24/7, 365, and watch these videos. And should you need to rewatch a video more than one time, take some notes and complete an entire series. And then my best recommendation is you go into the marketplace and you apply, you take the knowledge and you apply and implement it, okay, onto your Facebook profile, okay? You can use this and take this and implement it, okay, into your Facebook account, okay? So we have the marketing intro video, optimizing your profile for success. That shows you exactly how to do it. Very, very important. How to set up your profile. Okay, this is a special bonus video. This training is worth so much more than the one-time investment of only $300, okay? Plus a very nominal $25 admin fee that goes directly to the admin for the website, which, by the way, converts very, very well, folks, okay? So you set up your profile, bonus video, power of sharing your story. This is going to show you the benefits and the advantages to using the feature for free. It's a free feature called Facebook Story, and it works very, very well, all right? And you can also share your personal story through your Facebook posts and images as well, okay? To help you to build that all-important know, like, and trust. And then in the process, folks, once you do this and you build this up and scale this up over time, then this is going to assist you in generating massive traffic, okay? And the beauty of this platform, folks, is you're going to be able to post content for free and acquire some really great targeted high-quality Facebook traffic in the process. And that's exactly what you want to help you to build your IPS business. And what's wonderful, folks, is this training here within the six-figure social media blueprint, okay, the pro level $300 package, universal training. You can take this apply and implement it into Infinity Processing System and earn your commissions up to and including $300. And if you're part of now or become part of a new opportunity in the new year, 2023, you can take exactly what you're learning, the skill set that you're going to acquire, and you can apply it and implement it into another business, folks. Okay? So that is one of the biggest takeaways here and one of the biggest benefits of mastering this training, okay? And you're never going to be left out in the dark, folks. You're not going to be wandering around on the internet clueless, stressed out, not knowing what to do, feeling down because you're not seeing the results that you have been longing for in your business, folks. This training works, but you have to take action and use it. Use it wisely, use it to your advantage, and above all, use it with consistency. Consistency being critical for any home-based business, okay? You need to do this and keep coming back and using it and working your business on average minimum 1 to 2 hours a day. Using this training, start with one platform, especially if you're a newbie or if you're relatively new online, and then layer on and scale up. Learn another skill. For example, maybe you want to start with Facebook, then you can go onto YouTube, then you can add Craigslist, and you can keep going. Okay, the sky's the limit, folks. Okay, this is truly going to propel you forward. Okay, and you are going to be able to see some really great results if you just stick with this, stay in the game. Again, don't reinvent the wheel, don't deviate away from the system. Just go through the training at your own pace and then start applying and implementing it. And start the process of lead generation. You're going to start getting opt-ins into your capture page because all you have to focus on once you have everything in place initially is just driving traffic using these free social media platforms, okay? Following the six-figure blueprint. So this is everything, folks, getting to know your audience. And getting to know your audience, in turn, is going to allow your audience to get to know you, get to like you, and trust. Those are 3 very essential factors, folks, in any home-based business. Building and establishing know, like, and trust, as well as branding yourself. All of this skill is going to be relevant to branding you and helping you to generate a steady, consistent daily lead flow where you're going to be able to take a percentage of the leads and convert them into paid signups over time, earning you commissions of $50, $150, and $300. Okay, so this is some really great stuff, folks. I just wanted to give you a sneak preview into what's back here for Facebook. And then we also have the Facebook video marketing strategy as well. Okay, this is very, very powerful, and it continues onward and upward from here. Facebook video marketing. Highly recommend that you go through this and apply and implement this, okay? And these videos are very short. This one's only 7 minutes long, okay? How to get thousands of leads through Facebook. The power of Facebook groups for free traffic. A very short 4-minute video, folks, all right? How to drive tons of free traffic with Facebook stories. This is something I use all week long, folks, and it works amazingly, amazingly well. This is a great, great strategy right here, folks. And it's a very short video to show you what to do. And this is the series, folks, for Facebook marketing, okay? Driving traffic to your group. You can create your own Facebook group as well for free traffic and drive unlimited, massive amounts of traffic into your Facebook group, all for free, okay? And then this one pretty much ties it all together, recapping all of the strategies, which is consisting of the best practices for free Facebook traffic, okay? And then finally, in conclusions and a wonderful wrap up. All right, so there is just tremendous value here, folks. And then we have the 100 Facebook groups, and these are all the different groups that you can start joining. And you watch this short little video here, folks. This consists of 100 Facebook marketing groups. The best, highest quality, targeted traffic Facebook groups, okay, that are going to give you the best results if you elect to utilize Facebook for your marketing, okay? This is another bonus video, and it's going to show you exactly how to post your ads on Facebook groups. And you can do this, folks, all for free. The only thing you need to invest in, once you invest in the system of $325, is time. Okay, folks, you have to be willing to sacrifice and prioritize and set aside some quiet time and a quiet space free of all distractions for 1 to 2 hours per day to get the job done. Okay, and that's not difficult. If you want something bad enough, folks, you have to be willing to do what it takes to go after it and make it happen. And this is going to assist you in turning your dreams into a new reality in 2023. This training, folks, is absolutely powerful. It is simple and it works. Okay, it's all been tested, it's all been proven. We've been using it since March of 2021. And if you do your research and due diligence, which I encourage you to do, check out Infinity Processing System online. You will see many, many testimonials, success stories, and a wealth of income proof circulating all over these wonderful social media platforms and the internet. Okay, so here is everything else here, folks, like I just went over with you. All these platforms, you're going to learn exactly how to do this the right way so that you can finally succeed. And then there's some extra special bonuses as well. And I also have some great bonuses awaiting you if you take action this month in November. My special fast track action bonuses for you. Okay, so if you come in at the pro level, folks, I've got some great bonuses awaiting you. Go ahead and connect with me. I'll put my link to my Facebook below, but the best way to reach me by far is text me or call me. Okay, I love what I do. Very passionate about affiliate marketing and helping new people to be able to break through and experience success, perhaps for the first time for so many folks. Some people have never been able to even make a dime online, folks, and it's systems like this with this type of training that turns into real game changers, and people are loving it. And I trust that you will too. So 330-787-1795, text or call me. If you have any questions, please connect and we'll get you plugged in. As soon as I see you and receive your payment, I will send you a welcome email. It's also going to have additional resources that I have been using to grow and scale up my Infinity Processing System since March of 2021. And what's even wonderful, folks, is you can use my additional supplemental information, resources, and blueprint to help you to successfully build any internet affiliate network marketing business in the new year 2023. So thanks so much for spending some great time with me once again, allowing me to bring you into the back office, folks, of Infinity Processing System and just show you around. Don't really want to go into too much detail, folks, because we really don't want to give away the farm, but just know that this information works. This training is powerful. It has been proven, and we have thousands of members who have come through the doors of Infinity Processing System since Infinity Processing System opened its doors back in March of 2021, plugged in, using this training, and having great success and truly winning online, folks, and couldn't be happier. And I'm one of those, okay? So just letting you know that this training does work. I've been doing this a really long time, folks, and I've actually gone through this training and I use it all week long. It's the greatest, folks. And you can use it for free. You don't need an advertising budget. So that's probably one of the biggest takeaways, folks. So thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.